Hi guys, the next test I'm going to show you is how to test the ripple voltage output from an alternator just using a multimeter. Okay, so I've placed a multimeter across our battery and we just have a look at the whiteboard here. So again, when the alternator produces voltage, the voltage has like a ripple effect on it, okay? And that ripple can be useful when we look at that or evaluate it in order to determine if there's any problem with diodes in the rectifier pack or with the stator windings, okay? So the maximum ripple we're looking at is 0.4 of a volt in amplitude, okay? So about 400 millivolts. And to do that, we use a multimeter set to read AC volts. And when it's set to AC volts, we will just measure the size of the ripple, okay? So I've that there now set to read AC. So let's have a look. What we need to do is start our engine. Okay, we turn on our headlights to put a bit of load on the alternator. And as you can see there, we're actually reading a voltage which is at the moment about 100 millivolts, okay? 100 millivolts. Remember, the maximum is 400. So I'll bring up my engine speed to about 2000 RPM. I will take a reading. So what we're reading here at the moment is about 80 millivolts. Gone now to roughly fluctuating from 80 up to about 100 millivolts. Remember, the maximum is 400. So this one here is testing okay. So yes, it is possible to do this with a standard multimeter. However, I have come across some multimeters, I suppose the cheaper ones, that don't do this properly. Okay, so you need a good quality multimeter to do this.